Did you know that a single comb can hold up to 100,000 strands of hair? In this video, we'll explore the surprising world of quick home organization tips, focusing on the humble comb. With its small size and versatility, the comb is a staple in many households. But did you know that it can also be a powerful tool for decluttering and organizing your space? In this chapter, we'll delve into the mechanics of comb-based organization and explore its many benefits. Imagine being able to tame a messy room in just a few minutes. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, and it's all thanks to the trusty comb. But that's not the strangest part. The comb can also be used to organize cables and wires. Just imagine being able to find your favorite charger in seconds, without having to dig through a tangled mess. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that the comb can even be used to dust hard-to-reach areas. It's a game changer for anyone who's tired of using a duster or a feather duster. The comb's versatility extends beyond just hair and dusting. It can also be used to pick up small objects. Just picture being able to pick up a paperclip or a small button without having to bend down or use a pair of tweezers. This phenomenon occurs when you use the comb's fine teeth to gently pick up the object. The key is to use the right type of comb for the job. A wide-tooth comb is perfect for picking up larger items. But what about smaller objects, like jewelry or keys? In that case, a finer tooth comb is the way to go. And then there's the issue of organization. How do you keep your combs and brushes tidy? One solution is to use a comb holder or a brush organizer. These simple devices can keep your combs and brushes upright and out of the way. But what about combs that are too small to fit in a holder? In that case, you can use a small bowl or a container to store them. The bowl or container can be placed on a shelf or in a drawer. Another option is to use a comb box or a travel case. These can be used to store multiple combs and brushes in a compact space. And did you know that comb-based organization can also be used to create a sense of calm? Just imagine being able to walk into a tidy and organized room without feeling overwhelmed. It's a powerful feeling that can help reduce stress and anxiety. So, how can you incorporate comb-based organization into your daily routine? Start by identifying areas in your home that need attention. Then grab a comb and get to work. Begin by picking up small objects and dusting hard-to-reach areas. As you work, remember to use the right type of comb for the job. And don't forget to take breaks and enjoy the sense of accomplishment you'll feel. The benefits of comb-based organization extend beyond just the physical space. It can also help improve your mental clarity and focus. By creating a sense of calm and organization, you'll be better equipped to tackle challenges and achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start combing your home, and your mind will thank you. Subscribe for more quick home organization tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see covered. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. They'll appreciate the helpful tips and ideas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join the conversation in the comments.